Runway headed clear for takeoff. Runway 33, 10 Kilo Juliet.
Let there be light.
All traffic is stopped on the field. All traffic is stopped on the field. Moxie, continue taxiing to the ramp.
Continuing to the ramp, Moxie 52. Bangor ground mobile 64 at Bravo. Proceeding north on Alpha.
Aircraft upside down. We have a passenger aircraft upside down.
All crash, 6-4, proceed on the airport. The airport's yours. The airport is closed. All crash vehicles move as needed on the airfield.
And ground, Allegiant 976.
Your 976 big red.
Our plan is we're just going to try to go back to the gate.
976, roger. And Legion 976, ramp is uncontrolled. You can maneuver as needed, and yeah, it'll probably be closed for the foreseeable future.
All right, thank you.